Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a piece of American muscle car history, reviewing an absolute icon, the 1967 First Generation Chevrolet Camaro. This isn't just any Camaro though, it's finished in that eye-catching aqua color that turns heads before the engine even roars to life. Whether you're a classic car fanatic or just someone who appreciates timeless design and raw performance, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's get into it. Alright, let's talk about that exterior. The 1967 Camaro was Chevy's answer to the Ford Mustang, and it came out swinging. That long hood, short rear deck, and aggressive stance give it that unmistakable muscle car look. In aqua, this car just pops. It's not too flashy, but it's bold in its own vintage way. The chrome accents on the grille, bumpers, and window trim shine beautifully against the soft yet striking blue-green hue. The signature hidden headlights on the RS trim and the rally stripes, if equipped, really complete the look. And let's not forget those classic rally wheels with white leather tires that scream late 60s performance. Inside the cabin, you're stepping into a time machine. The interior is simple, driver-focused, and stylish. This one's rocking the deluxe interior package with bucket seats, black vinyl, ribbed trim, and that cool brushed aluminum dash insert. The steering wheel is thin, classic 3-spoke, with the Chevrolet bowtie staring right at you. Gauges are minimal but clean, speedometer, touch, fuel, everything you need, nothing you don't. And if you're lucky, you might find one with the center console and that iconic horseshoe shifter. It's not luxury by today's standards, but it's got soul. Now, let's get under the hood. In 1967, the Camaro came with a variety of engines, from a 230 cubic inch inline 6 all the way up to the big block 396 V8. The one we're reviewing today is packing the 327 small block V8, putting out around 275 to 325 horsepower depending on the tune. This car isn't about digital torque vectoring or launch control, it's raw, analog power. You feel everything. The rear-wheel drive setup, combined with that manual 4-speed transmission, gives you full control. Handling is surprisingly good for a 60s muscle car, thanks to its relatively light frame and wide stance, though don't expect it to corner like a modern sports car. But that rumble from the exhaust, the throttle response, it's pure driving pleasure. So, what's a 1967 Aqua Camaro going for in 2026? Prices vary a lot based on condition, originality, and trim level. A clean, well-maintained base model might fetch anywhere from $35,000 to $55,000. RS and SS trims climb higher, especially if they've got matching numbers and factory options. Those can go for $60,000 to $90,000 or more at auction. And if it's a rare model like the Z/28 or a big block 396 SS in mint condition, you're looking at 6 figures easily, sometimes north of $120,000. The aqua color, while not the rarest, adds a premium for its standout appeal and nostalgia factor. So there you have it, the 1967 First Generation Camaro in all its aqua glory. It's stylish, powerful, and full of character. Whether you're admiring it at a car show or lucky enough to drive one, this classic muscle machine delivers an experience that modern cars just can't replicate. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car content, and let me know in the comments, what's your dream classic car? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next ride.